Well, it is Wednesday and it is Veterans Day, so courts are closed in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. I'm not in court today, obviously. Want to wish my fellow veterans a happy Veterans Day. With that said, I'm going to put out an article later this week on the Tony LaRussa DUI arrest in Phoenix, Arizona. And I often do these comparisons between what happens in other jurisdictions, even though the laws are different in every state, to illustrate that, first of all, something like a DUI can happen to anyone at any time, even a Hall of Fame manager like Tony LaRussa. Now, this is his second DUI. His first DUI was in 2007. He has one now. The first DUI, it's my understanding, he was slightly above the legal limit. He had a BAC of 0.09. And the legal limit, as we all know from my articles and my blogs and my videos, is 0.08. In this particular DUI, it's in a different state. It's in Arizona. The last one was in Florida. And in this one, he made the mistake of, for some reason, refusing the chemical test, even though police had a search warrant for his blood, which is really unusual. There are some people saying that for some reason the police there in Phoenix, Arizona took a special interest in Tony LaRussa and were giving him a hard time. I have to say it is very unusual for police to obtain a search warrant for a DUI, especially one where there was no evidence of anyone getting hurt. It's my understanding that the police came out and found Tony LaRussa. He had hit a curb or something, and he was otherwise cooperative. He was a bit argumentative, but it's my understanding that there was no resisting arrest charge there. With that said, he made a mistake of refusing the chemical test, and what I say is always never refuse that test. Now, he took the field sobriety test, which if I was his lawyer and I was advising it, I probably would have told him he shouldn't have done that, especially because he is a little older. He's 76, not, I mean, there are people driving into their 90s, but he's 76. He's had some physical issues, is my understanding. He's had some surgeries. So he should have told the officer that he wasn't able to take those tests because he took the test, he failed the test, and now the prosecution, if the case goes to trial, will more than likely use the evidence of that failure against him. In addition, they'll use his refusal against him as well. And remember that a refusal is in most cases a separate criminal charge. In addition, even if the criminal case works out in his favor, Arizona can and will suspend his driver's license, his driving privileges in that state. He wasn't living there, so I find it unlikely he has an Arizona driver's license. But again, these are things that I think are important if you're stopped for DUI. With regards to probable cause, police clearly had probable cause because they were responding to an accident, and the accident alone gives them probable cause to stop and investigate. So if you have questions about DUI in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. We answer our calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Hope you're having a great Veterans Day. Be on the lookout for that article on Tony LaRussa. I will also come out with my weekly newsletter. Could not put it out last week, a very unusual set of circumstances for us, but that is something that I don't expect to happen again. I just had a bit of a situation on Friday, which luckily we were able to take care of. But again, I wish you all a great day. Happy Veterans Day to my fellow veterans, and I will talk to you all soon.